Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is Betty, and I know this does not look like anything I've ever done before. This is actually a special order, special request through my Etsy store. The lady messaged me, I believe it was last Sunday, asking if I could do a retro or anime envelope journal. And first of all, I didn't even know what she was talking about. I have to be honest and admit that I had no clue. So she had to send me some pictures so that I would know kind of what I was looking at. And she wanted it, so here we are. It is finished and going out to her this afternoon. But I wanted to get on here and just show you guys how it turned out. It is my normal envelope journal with the 5 envelope signatures. It does have the covered spine. In the back, it does have the eyelet with the elastic closure. And I tried to pick some beads that kind of went along with the color scheme of it. And as always, I did put the corner protectors on the edges, on each edge there. And so when we open it up, we see right away it's totally different than anything I've done. So in the front here, I put, this is just like a little matchbox journal spot or match packet. I don't know what you call it. I did stuck up like a little tag back in there. And there go my dogs. It's storming here. And then in this front envelope, I put her some cutouts of one of the anime images that she said that she liked. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. I want to say that's Sailor Moon. Not sure. Then on here, I done a little belly band. I put a cutout of Sailor Moon. Again, she can open this and journal here. And then behind it, it's just a little card from some of the cutoffs that I used. Then in this envelope, I have several images of, I have no clue what who this one is. But I have several images of these. These are some of the ones that she had said that she really liked. So I just made her a few journal cards for that. Then on the back of that envelope, I took one of those journal cards and I glued it on 2 sides, and I made a little tuck, and then I've just tucked a couple of more of those little journal type cards in there. Back in this envelope, there's a few more of the, maybe it is Sailor Moon, maybe I got it right. I want to say it's Sailor Moon, but I stuck those in that envelope for her. And then on the back side of that, I used one of those images. I glued it down right here to make like a little tuck, and I just tucked one of the little cut off pieces that I was using. Then in this envelope, this is just a bunch of the scrap pieces of the solid colored cardstock that I used. So I just put that in there so that she would have that, you know, if she wants to use it to embellish or decorate in any other way. Then here I done a corner tuck that lifts up. I just stuck a couple of those little journal cards down in that. In this envelope here, this is like the cuts of all of the different papers that I use. It's just some cut-offs from it, you know, so that she'll have them in case she wants to use them. On the back side of that one, I have a belly band that opens, and then I tuck behind it like a little journal type card. On the back cover here, I have a pocket that lifts up for some journal area. I did stick a little journal card in it. I do have one of the wooden buttons that holds it down. And you know what I have not done? I have not signed this one. So let me go ahead and sign this one really quick. Where do I want to sign this one at? I want it to be kind of inconspicuous, but how about I just sign it like right here. 2021. Okay. There we go. That's signed. And then there we go. And that's the journal, guys. I hope she enjoys it. Like I said, it was definitely different than anything I've made. I had to actually create the paper for her because I could not find paper like this anywhere. So I created the paper for her and sent her proofs of the paper. And once she approved it, then I got started working on the journal. So that's it, you guys. Very quick video. Just wanted to show you what this little envelope journal ephemera storage looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye.